What's up, guys? I just got this in the mail. Monster Fighters Zombie Coffin Driver 30200. It's an older Lego set that came out. They have a whole... I'll be doing a whole bunch more when I get them. But right now we're starting with this guy. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and we'll get it together. Alright, all done. We have a small instruction booklet. And we got our bag. A couple extra pieces. Our zombie here, the limo driver or coffin driver. He's got two different color hands. Torn up looking, really upset face. And of course he's wearing his hat. And we got our coffin car here. The headlights to it, red lights, got the grill in the front. It's just basically a coffin there with a steering wheel inside. Got some flames shooting out the back here. Go ahead and set him in there. And there he is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome videos.